So the 27th question is using integration find the area of region bounded by the triangle whose vertices are -2, 1, 0, 4 and 2, 3. Or find the area bounded by the circle x square plus y square is equals to 16 and the line under root 3y is equals to x in the first quadrant using integration. So in the first question we have to find the area of region bounded by the triangle whose vertices are these. So using integration, so it's simple. Find the area of bounded circles. So in the second question we also found the bounded area by the circles and the line given by these equation in the first quadrant using integration. So let's jump into the answer. So the first answer will be equation of AB. So we can write the equation of AB that is given by the coordinates in the questions. So here will be the equations of AB is equal to y is equal to 3 by 2 x plus 4, and equation of BC is equal to y is equal to 4 minus x by 2, and equation of AC is equal to y is equal to 1 by 2 x plus 2. So these are the equations. So we can just put in the quadrant. We get this triangle, this line, and this line, and this is the area bounded by the triangle. So we have to find this area. So let's just continue. So the required area will be integration of -2 to 0, 3 to 2 x plus 4 dx plus में integration of 0 to 4 minus x by 2 dx minus integration of -2 to 2 1 by 2 x plus 2 dx. So we just integrate the equations of line to get the area of the triangle. That after integration we get these values 3x square and upon 4 plus 4x, and the range will be 0 to -2 and 4x minus x square by 4, the range to 2 to 0 minus x square by 4 plus 2x, the range will be 2 to -2 to 2. So putting the equations, putting the range, we will get 5 plus 7 minus 8. So the area will be 4 square units. This is the answer of the first question. Now the second. In this problem, 2 regions are possibly instead of a unique one. So let's just correct the figure. This is the figure. So we have to find the area of in first quadrant. So there can be this area also and this area also, that is created by line and the circle. So x coordinate of interaction is x is equal to plus minus 2 root 3. This is the coordinate of intersection. Required area will be and integration 0 to 2 by 3 x under root 3 to dx plus made 2 root 3 into 4 integration under root 4 square minus x square dx. So this will be the required area. So let's just continue. So after solving the equation, we will get x square under root 2 and upon 2 under root 3. Range will be 0 to 2 root 3 and bracket में x root under root 16 minus x square upon में 2 plus में 8 sin inverse x by 4, whose range will be 2 root 3 to 4. After putting the range, we will get 2 root 3 plus में 8 pi by 2 minus pi by 3 minus 2 root 3. So that after solving this, we will get the 4 pi by 3 square units. This will be the area of the circle and the line intersections in the first quadrant. So this will be the answer. Thank you.